Yo, just came back from Home Depot and I was actually excited that I bought my first Dewalt knife, because I mostly stick to the Milwaukee Fastback, and I was a little disappointed with the quality. It says it's made in USA, but then you look at it and this button right here, I don't know if you can see it, but don't work. It doesn't take the blade. I tried putting this damn blade for a couple minutes now, and I believe that this button is broken. It feels like it has like a spring on the bottom, but it won't go back up. So if you press it, it went all the way back in, and it wouldn't come back up. Unlike the Milwaukee, you got this metal release button, which just press it and takes it out, and you're good to go. And this, it's no bueno, man. It's no bueno. I'm gonna have to wait till the wifey comes back. She loves returning things. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna see if I can. Alright, let's try this again. I have a brand new blade, also made in USA, from this Husky. It's a Husky. Alright. It says on the instructions, press this button to rapid change your blade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's sunk all the way to the bottom. That's how I got it when I bought it, and I was disappointed because the Milwaukee, you get this metal release button. You just press it, boom, voila, simple. And then you just put it back. Hold on. Put it back in. You're ready to go. And with this, I can't even press the button. It's all the way sunk all the way in. Okay. Yep. Okay, I don't know what the hell just happened. Doesn't go back in or nothing, and I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Go in. Okay. How the hell do you know if it locked in? Can't press the button. Okay, when I pushed the blade in, this button came back up. But the blade is loose. Piece of crap. Anyway, this is going back to Home Depot. New topic. We got these Ryobi impact bits and bit holders with long sleeves. Saw these at TRZ 2 Review Zone, and he liked them and I liked his video, and I decided to check these out. And these I just got for the hell of it. I also got this Dewalt 31 piece, I believe, impact bit set. Today at Lowe's for $9.98. So I saw it and I decided to take advantage of this deal. This video is being powered by Milwaukee M12. Yep, USB charger. So this knife is garbage. I actually wanted to give this knife a chance. It has a cool feature I'll show you right now that I was impressed by it. Hold on. I don't know if you see this, but the back opens and you got storage for, I believe, 3 blades. Pretty cool feature. I just don't like this the cheapy rubber button. So I guess I'll just stick to my Milwaukee Fastbacks. I have a lot of them. So yeah, this is what I got today. Thanks for watching.